Hi, to change slow motion video speed on the Vivo V40, we would need to go in the camera app first, and now we are in a photo mode. So just swipe left from this tab to check the More tab, and now you can simply select slow-mo from the list of other options. And now just take a look at this upper panel. Here we are interested in this middle icon. Just tap it and now you can change resolution and frame rate. You can switch it here and here, or you can go in the default settings and select one of three options: 1080p at 120 fps, 720p at 240 fps, and 720 at 120. Just select any option. That one is default, by the way, and simply tap it like that to select, and then save the changes by going back. And now to start recording, you would need to press this red button, and also you can zoom in or zoom out by dragging the slider or by tapping plus and minus like that. You can pause the video and resume it later, or you can stop the video. And now let me show you how slow-mo videos looks. And here it is. This was made at 1080p at 120 fps. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.